Hi, in this video, we will show you how to get amazing, clear, glowing skin using aloe vera gel. In fact, aloe vera gel has been used for thousands of years by people all around the world to treat skin conditions like acne and sunburns, and to get healthier, softer, amazing-looking skin. Aloe vera gel is found inside the leaves of aloe plants. You can easily find pure aloe vera gel at the store, but you can also grow your own aloe vera plant and collect the gel from the leaves. Here are 4 proven strategies to get clear, glowing skin using aloe vera gel. Number 1. Use an aloe vera facial spray daily. In an empty spray bottle, mix 1 part of aloe vera gel with 2 parts of rose water. The aloe vera will promote skin hydration and glow. At the same time, the rose water will help maintain the skin's pH balance and controls excess oil. The combination of aloe vera and rose water will reinvigorate your skin, fight inflammation, and promote a glowing complexion. If you want to upgrade your aloe vera spray, you can add a few drops of organic vitamin E oil. Here's a pro tip. Keep the spray in the fridge. By applying the spray cold, you'll get even better results. Number 2. Apply an aloe vera glow mask. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, and a few drops of pure argan oil. Studies have found that raw honey has anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce the formation of wrinkles, making it an excellent product to use with aloe vera. Organic turmeric powder is rich in a component called curcumin. This bioactive compound has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and is highly beneficial to the skin. Turmeric is known for bringing out the natural glow of the skin, making it a great addition to this glow mask. Finally, argan oil has a vast range of skin healing properties. It moisturizes the skin, reduces excessive oiliness, increases the elasticity of the skin, promotes a smoother complexion, and even protects the skin from sun damage. For best results, apply this aloe vera glow mask 2 to 3 times a week. Number 3. Repair sun damage. Sunburn is the major killer of amazing clear skin. Furthermore, excessive ultraviolet light exposure from sunlight causes premature aging of the skin, which is often called photoaging. This can lead to an early appearance of wrinkles and a rough skin complexion. So every time you get a sunburn, you need to apply an after-sun lotion. You can make a simple but effective 3-ingredient after-sun lotion at home. Simply add 2 or 3 drops of peppermint and lavender essential oil to pure aloe vera gel, mix it, and store it in the fridge. It's crucial that you test how you react to the essential oils first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Aloe vera is fantastic at treating sunburns. It is even sometimes called the burn plant. Peppermint essential oil has soothing properties, and it helps to reduce inflammation in the skin. Lavender essential oil is known to speed the healing of burnt skin. Number 4. Supplement with aloe vera gel. In 2009, a team of Korean scientists studied the effect of aloe vera intake on skin appearance. In the study, 30 women over 45 years old received an aloe vera gel supplement for 90 days. After the 90 days, the women had significantly improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkles. Bonus tip, don't use coconut oil in your aloe vera formulations. If you search the web, you will find many experts recommend adding extra virgin coconut oil to aloe vera formulations. But keep in mind that although coconut oil has amazing benefits, it's also highly comedogenic, meaning that it clogs the pores of your skin. So if you're trying to get bright, glowing skin, coconut oil might be counterproductive. Did you enjoy this video? Then make sure to subscribe to Safe Topicals YouTube channel. What's your favorite way to use aloe vera? Is it part of your daily skincare routine? Let us know by leaving a comment below right now.